to share documents on Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, first, we need to open a Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. Then, click the Share button on the upper right corner. You can add the email addresses you want to share the document with by typing it into the text box. Once you have added the email addresses, you can change the editing permissions, choosing between Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Also, you can notify them via email and adding a message, or you can unmark the Notify People box to not send an email. Finally, click on the Send or Share button, which is on the lower right corner. For more help, check out the Share Files from Google Drive page in the Google Drive Help Center.